And what's your favorite thing in here? Yeah. Yeah, this thing for the book. Hey guys, what's going on? Arman here. I just wanted to do a review of the paper and Planko boxes that we got today. And I ordered two things. I ordered, I think, the office essentials. And then I ordered a piece of apparel. So yeah, I want to share that with you. I have a screwdriver. And I'm going to open this up. I'm gonna show you guys what's coming here from Paper and Planko. And my sisters love the boxes. I just want to stay there. This is super basic stuff, but the box is super well made. You know, you have the domain here and everything. So shout out to the box. You guys can see here when you open it, you have their saying here. And I have, let me just do this. So they have the Paper and Planko paper. And there you go. This is the first thing that we got. So this is a hoodie. There's nothing else in the box, but this is good. Cool. This is a hoodie with Paper and Planko. And the cool thing is unisex. So yeah, anyone in my family can wear it basically. So that's one of the boxes. And I got my sisters here helping me open the heavier box that I got here for Paper and Planko too. So there you go. So let's open this one up. Let's see. And I might have shifted, not shifted, I might have moved things because I just did move the box out of the position. But let me see, let me just open this. Oh, this is so hard. Let me see. Okay, there is a part. Oh, there you go. Okay, so let me show you what's going on in here. Okay, so we got this. We have a thank you note, which is what I love. I mean, we're implementing this on our stuff. And let's see what else comes with this. I mean, this is the most cool part, right? This is the paper. This was wrapped everything in the Paper and Planko stuff. Because I moved the box, it was not there. So we have some stickers, email, file, call, and pay. Okay, let me see if you guys can see that. Is that focusing? There you go. So this is cool. Then we have this, which I love. This is like you guys might know the name better. This is where you are reading a book and you put it where you left off so you can pick it up after. I really like this one. Then we have some post-it notes with Paper and Planko branding. Let me show you. What else? We have another one of those for the book, but in white. The other one was in black. We have a notepad. I really like this ones because you know, you can stick them somewhere and put your ideas. Then what is this? Do first what you don't want to do the most. I love this one. It's so true. This saying is so powerful. Let me see if it focuses. There you go. Do first what you don't want to do the most. And this is like a notepad. And I really like, what I really like about this is it's all kind of wrapped in this black thing, like a gift lace or something like that. I really like that. Then we have these clips, which are very cool. I just like the shape of this, metal clips. Let me see if it focuses. Can it focus? Is it gonna focus? I mean, you guys can pretty much see it. Yeah, you guys can see the whole format. What else? Okay, well, this looks like a small Jolts and Jolts. I might need to open this, but this looks like a small notebook. I'm very curious to see what this is. This is a task pad. I'm gonna use this a lot. You know, priorities, needs and wants. What do you have to do every day to conquer the day? We have another Jots and Jolts notebook. I'll open this up to see what this is up. We have a priorities, needs and wants. This is gonna be the biggest thing that I'm gonna use. You have like the priorities here for every day, the needs and the wants for every day. And yeah, this is so powerful. Let me see, can you see it? There you go, now it's focusing. Priorities, needs and wants, so that's pretty cool. A bunch of cool things. So you have an eraser and a sharpener here. Let me see, can you focus, camera? Or no? Let me see, I don't think it's gonna focus. But you guys can see it. It's a sharpener and an eraser. Paper and Planko sticker. My sisters are helping me here, so if I forget the word. I love that it's American themed. I like that. Another one in regular. Now it says St. Louis, Missouri. That's pretty cool. Let me see. There you go. A timeless tradition modernized since 2020. Okay, so yeah, you guys are gonna have to give me some time because this looks like a notebook. This looks like a notebook, and I like this part. You know, it's you know, it has a vibe of old per se, like classic, I guess I would say. So I like that. We got some pens here, Paper and Planko pens. I have my sister in the camera back. She's saying yes. You know, this is cool. This is cool. I'm sure the pens are gonna be cool, good quality. You'll see. And I'm sure because I think I know. Well, I know everything that Paper and Planko does is awesome. So, and then we have this, which I still also have to find out. But look at how many things we got here. The boxes. This is it. This is the box. But look how many things we got here. I mean, this is for the money. I don't think you can get this quality stuff anywhere for this amount of money. This is awesome. Like this is you know, you get all this for what you know. I think it's a no-brainer. Perfect to get organized the whole day. So I'm gonna open these little things that are that I cannot see the contents, like this one, and get back to you guys. Okay. Okay. So I'm opening this up. Let me show you. Bunch of things here. So I'm opening this up. I love the texture. Like I love the texture even without opening it. Let me see if you can see the texture of this. You can see it here, but I don't know if you can see the texture. Yeah, this. It's a pretty cool texture. And it's a wow, I love this. It's so how can I say this? It's so I cannot find the word, but this looks like a notebook from the 1600s or the 1700s or something like that, because it's so handcrafted. I like this a lot. Like this would be something you would find in a treasure chest with a diary or something from hundreds of years ago, and it's plain new, so you can write your own story. So this is gonna be one of my favorite things. Let's see, and then Jots and Jolts. I don't know what that is at all. So let me just open this up. Again, we have the Paper and Planko protector. Let's see if I can take it off without. I don't want to break it. So let me see. Let me just remove this like that. Let me see. There you go. Oh, okay, this is just to write your stuff. It's a mini notebook, okay, there you go. So I guess this other one would be the same, but in white, okay. And there you go. Yeah, this one, we already talked about this. And let's check this out. Let's check this out. This is very interesting. So let me open it up. Oh, wait a second. This is a mouse pad? Is this a mouse pad? I haven't even read the contents of this. Or no, this is actually paper, sorry. It's actually paper. Again, I don't wanna, but like you just have to see like the amount of care they put into just lacing these things around and instead of just throwing them, everything is branded with these paper and Placo things, which is awesome. Let me see. Can this focus? Let's see if this can focus. But I think you guys can see it. The paper and Placo. There you go. Let me see. I'm gonna take a little bit because I don't want to break it. Maybe it's probably supposed to be breaking, but I don't want to break it. Oh, okay. I totally see what this is for. It's you're going and just taking them off basically. So this is pretty cool. There's probably a better explanation. I don't know. There's probably a better explanation and a specific word for this, what this is. But I can totally see myself, sketching some ideas here and putting them out. That's what I would see for this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've opened everything. Like everything else you guys already seen that, you can already see from here. Again, I'm gonna love this priorities, needs, and wants. That do first what you don't want to do the most. This is a great reminder for all of us daily. So anyway, this is it, right? This is it. A lot of cool value for the money. You guys definitely should get the office essentials. And yeah, there you go. There's a bunch of things here. That's it. Thank you guys. My name was Arman, and we'll talk soon. Little segment. My sisters are gonna take a look at this and they say, what do they like? Who's getting what? Okay, come here. So you really like this one, right?
Yes, I like this one.
Okay, there you go. And what's your favorite thing in here? Yeah. Yeah. This thing for the books. They're already fighting for who's getting what. So there you go. What is just tell me, what are your favorite things? So you like the pens. Oh, these things. The small one likes the metal clips. There you go. What else? You guys are gonna get one of these notebooks for sure. The older sister likes this, and this had the call, pay, file, email stickers. Cool. And yeah, this is cool. There you go. So thank you girls, and that's it. We'll talk soon.